So I just wanted to review some of the boards that I did using white school glue. Just the Elmer's white school glue is what works best. And here, this top board, you can see some crackle here, but this board actually didn't work the greatest. And so on the back I just did some notes, and the reason is because I didn't let it set long enough. And so you want to make sure that the set time is longer. So this one, the glue and the paint basically mixed together, so it got just some crackle but not a lot. So on this board here you can see more of the crackle. The bottom layer was white, and then the top was double, and then I added some brown dark wax just to make the cracks pop a bit more. And so on this guy the set time was 7 minutes, and so what that means is that the glue is not really wet and sticky, and it's not dry. It's still tacky when you touch it. And I mean, I just did a quick test and it was 7 minutes, and the results on the other side is what I got. And so basically, if your glue is thin, you're gonna get thin cracks. If it's thick, you'll get thicker cracks. Short brush strokes, short cracks. So if you look on this side, the glue was applied quite thin, so the cracks are thinner. So here on this guy, we have nice big cracks, and in some of the parts where it's a little bit smudgy, that's where the paint and the glue mixed. So if you're doing a bigger piece, I mean, you could distress it a bit or sand it down a bit to blend it more.